In a jungle bursting with color, lived a parrot with the loudest voice of all. His name was Pico, bright feathers, sharp eyes, and a voice that never stopped. Pico had a habit. He repeated everything. At first the animals laughed, but slowly the laughter faded. One afternoon, beneath a quiet tree, the wise tortoise leaned close to the rabbit and whispered, "We are planning a surprise party for King Leo." It was meant to be a secret, but Pico heard it, and without thinking, he spread his wings and shouted, "Surprise party for the King Leo! Surprise party for the King Leo!" Pico overheard the monkeys whispering excitedly, "Don't tell the king about the surprise party." Pico's eyes widened with excitement. "Surprise party! Surprise party for King Leo! Shh! Keep it secret." Pico nodded quickly, but only a few minutes later he repeated again. As Pico flew across the jungle, he loudly shouted, "Big birthday surprise for King Leo tonight." The deer heard it, the squirrels heard it, even the birds flying above heard the news. Soon the entire jungle knew about the secret celebration. That evening, while the animals decorated quietly, Pico sat alone on a branch. No one whispered near him. No one laughed with him. For the first time, the jungle felt empty. High on a cliff, King Leo himself heard Pico's loud voice echo through the forest. The lion smiled softly. "So, the animals were planning a surprise for me." Meanwhile, the animals became upset. "The surprise is ruined." The monkeys crossed their arms angrily. The rabbits lowered their heads sadly. Pico suddenly realized what he had done. For the first time, he felt truly guilty. That evening, Pico sat alone quietly on a tree branch. "I only wanted to share the excitement." Just then, the wise tortoise slowly approached. He said gently, "Words are like arrows. Once released, they cannot return." Pico lowered his head. The next day, when he heard gossip, he stayed silent. When he heard secrets, he stayed quiet. King Leo approached him calmly. "Pico, joy is wonderful to share, but some things must be protected carefully." Pico lowered his head in shame. "I am sorry, Your Majesty." The King Leo smiled kindly. A true friend knows when to speak and when to stay silent. That night, the animals still celebrated together beneath the glowing stars. Music filled the jungle, laughter echoed through the trees, and Pico learned a very important lesson. From that day onward, he thought carefully before repeating what he heard, and so the jungle learned not every secret should be repeated. Wise words bring trust and happiness. Please like, share, and subscribe. WonderTaleBox. See you in the next episode.